In the early days of the Industrial Revolution, a time of intense invention and innovation, the world was undergoing a transformative change. Roads and pathways had once felt the hooves of horses were now filling the role of wheels, signifying a shift in transportation. At the heart of the evolution was the tire, a component so crucial, yet often taken for granted. The invention of the inflatable tire marked a pivotal moment in this journey. It was not just a wheel's covering, but a symbol of progress, designed meticulously to provide enhanced mobility, comfort, and safety. As vehicles evolved, so did their requirements. Larger, more powerful machines demanded sturdier, more reliable tires. Over time, the inflatable tire didn't just adapt, it advanced, embodying the human spirit of ingenuity and engineering. Fast forward to 2023, and LASFIT has unveiled a masterpiece in the realm of tire inflators. The LASFIT Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor at the current discounted price of $79.99, down from the usual $89.99. It's not just a practical tool, but a wise acquisition. With its advanced design and boasting a 26mm air cylinder, the device offers a substantial 36 liter per minute airflow. This capability allows it to rapidly inflate vehicle tires with pinpoint accuracy up to 150 psi. Designed for a myriad of vehicles, from cars and SUVs to motorcycles and bicycles, its compactness ensures it can be stored with ease in a glove box, bike frame, or a backpack. Say goodbye to the constraints of cords. Equipped with a robust 7800 milliamp rechargeable battery, the inflator provides hassle-free access to all tires. And for those moments when you're out of battery charge, a 12-volt DC power cord has got you covered. With these dual power options, the inflator stands ready to serve regardless of the circumstances. Upon attaching the air hose to your tire, LASFIT's state-of-the-art system will detect your current tire pressure reading, and you can set your desired pressure with either the intelligent preset mode or the intuitive control buttons. Once set, a simple press of the start button activates rapid inflation, with the device shutting off automatically once the chosen pressure is reached. One thing to note, this isn't just an inflator, it's also an emergency power bank, thanks to its USB output. For those low light conditions, an inbuilt dual mode LED light is at your service. Additionally noteworthy features include its memory function, digital tire pressure gauge, and an innovative quick connector hose. In conclusion, the LASFIT Tire Inflatable Portable Air Compressor represents the confluence of human creativity and practical utility for those on the move, whether navigating the bustling city streets or the serene countryside. This inflator is an indispensable companion, ensuring every journey is smooth and uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.